alerted for specific launches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.
What?
Today and Thursday,
Oh.
with the now for the 10 a.m. observations across
Alright.
the northeastern United States.
There's one.
Cloudy and 34. In Hyannis, cloudy and 33.
Wouldn't it be great if I remembered to turn the
Partly sunny and 36.
996 on the zone guard to
Providence, partly
the
sunny
Boston
and
station,
31.
but whatever.
Forecast for south in 31. And Massachusetts, south to 34. In Connecticut and Hartford, mostly sunny and 30. In Groton,
Put this guy back.
30s. And in New Haven, partly sunny and 37.
Don't need that.
In New York State,
Or about this guy on KZZ 40.
and 35. Friday night as the cold front is pulled across up in 36. And in Islip, partly sunny and 35. And across northern New England and Burlington, mostly sunny and 34. In cloudy.
I don't like how it gets rid of the alert if you just switch the channels. This one off.
Wind southwest at 60 gusting to 25 miles an hour. Now for the effect. Rain likely.
Alright, hopefully reception stays good on that. Alright, let's check over here. Sand dune went off. Unresponsive buttons, of course. I might get a new sand dune, because that's just bothered me, but whatever. 400 went. Oh. So I guess if you hit menu while it's scrolling, it actually just goes straight to the menu instead of just getting rid of the message like every other radio. And this one off. That's okay, that's not what I had in mind.
Forecast for summits of Mount United.
And WX 100 went. Awesome. Alright, now we just wait for Gray.
Signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here are the 11
Nice.
Low pressure will approach from the south today at
Alright, HH1 on KZZ 40.
20. Relative humidity of 52%. The wind was west at 3 miles
got
an
one
hour,
off.
and the pressure was 30.50.
This didn't. Not sure why.
In Concord, partly sunny 32. Nashville, sunny 36. Jasper, sunny 34. In Kima, temperature was 35 degrees.
I don't know. From where I was sitting, that sounds fine, so whatever.
Laconia was 30.
This guy went off. Sand June, 400, 258, WX 100 went off. 500 went for both KZZ 40 and WNG 575.
Lawrence, partly sunny and 30.
Zone guard clearly went off, as you heard and can see. Yeah, it's not like it doesn't have a bright ass green beacon or anything. Alright. 993 went off. Love to see it. 519. 996. It's actually on the right channel this time around. And obviously up here, 991 went. And WR301 to close it off. Nice.